Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix the wrong date and time problem on Mac. Let's get started. The first place you want to navigate is your Apple logo. Click on it and come down to your system preferences. Now, down here, click on Date and Time. First, make sure to unlock this option. Click on Use Password, enter your password, and then hit Unlock. After that, the first thing you have to do is to make sure to set the date and time automatically and do the same for your time zone as well. After turning them on your Mac, if you see that time is not really changing, plus you're getting this error right here, then that means it's got to do with your location settings. Now, afterwards, just the next thing you have to do is simple. Simply close this one, click on your Apple logo, click on the system preference, and now this time you need to choose your security and privacy. Click on there under privacy, click on this lock again, and use your passcode to unlock it. And after that, just choose your system service and just click details from here. And make sure to just mark these settings called time zone and system customizations. Click on there and now click done. Now, just simply lock it back. Close this and now get back to your date and time settings from here. Now, go ahead and click on the date and time. Here, as you can see, our time has been changed. That's how you can fix the date and time problem on your Mac. That's all for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel for more content like this. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.